Bear invented supermarkets in 1934, and we're proud of that. What's important is, what are you today? Well, today we're quality, and we have great variety. Look at our produce. I mean, not only is it fresh, but lots of stores have 4 or 5 kinds of apples. We have 12 kinds of apples.
But it doesn't stop there. We have 11 different kinds of grapes this week, more than any other store around here.
All 11 kinds of grapes, just 99 cents a pound at Grapes Galore Week. 99 cents this week.
If you want the very best produce, Big Bear's the place to come.
Find out how Best Buy's appliance area has taken on a whole new flavor. And this week, make no payments and pay no interest for 1 full year on all major appliances. Savor it all for yourself at Best Buy.
It's sad. All Bob Dole offers are negative attacks. President Clinton is fighting drugs, appointing a 4-star general drug czar. Dole voted against even creating the office of drug czar. President Clinton strengthened school anti-drug programs. Dole Gingrich tried to slash them 50%. President Clinton expanded the death penalty for drug kingpins, now wants drug testing to keep abusers locked up. President Clinton, endorsed by the largest police organization for fighting crime, protecting our values.
Tonight on News 4 at 11.
That controversial French abortion pill is much closer to U.S. distribution than you might think. Tonight at 11, see exactly how it works and the final hurdles it has to pass. Also, it's a new kind of firearm that's designed to save lives. Plus, he's not eligible for a driver's license for 13 years, but he got behind the wheel anyway. Then forget the blackjack table. The real jackpot was at the ATM machine. Join us for all that in Jim's forecast tonight, right after Law and Order.
You're watching NBC4 Columbus.
It's the premiere of NBC's newest night of must-see TV, with season premieres of Wings, Lyle Cat, News Radio, the very first Men Behaving Badly, and a Law and Order you won't believe.
Honey, my meeting's running late, so you need to start the pot roast. Come on, you can handle it. Just open the bag and season. Add water and seasoning, toss in veggies. The roast bastes itself in the bag, so it'll come out tender and juicy. Now feel up to tossing a salad.
For mouth-watering meals without the mess, flavor up with McCormick Bag and Season. Perfectly tender, perfectly seasoned every single time.
I'll be home soon. Think you could start without me?
You like driving along. You get the big hungry, but you've only got a little quarter. You spot a mom and pop. You stop. Aha! Lots of Little Debbie's single packs. So many to pick from. So little time.
Only from Domino's new Roma herb crust pizza. Sun-dried tomatoes, roasted garlic, and basil baked into the dough. Wow. Call now and get any large pizza with 1 topping for $9.99. A second 1-topping pizza just $4.99.
For hot and wild, call Domino's now.
Land Rover Discoveries frequently come home slightly more soiled than ordinary cars. But they still get washed exactly the same way. With soap and water. And if you buy Discovery right now, we'll pay for all scheduled maintenance for up to 45,000 miles.
Monday, Jeff Foxworthy premieres on NBC.
This is it.
It's beefy Monday comedy.
What do the different hearts mean?
That's how many heart attacks they attribute to the particular day.
The Foxworthy premiere, a show so funny you'll eat a bug. Then, People magazine gives Mr. Rhodes an A-.
Nice jammies, Hef.
The Foxworthy Rhodes premiere, NBC Monday.
There are a lot of questions in life, but here's the biggie. How do you act responsibly on the outside and still have fun on the inside? You got it. Doublemint. Because when you put that legendary one-of-a-kind taste in your face, you feel good. Really, really good. So while outside you're all business, inside you're doing the Watusi. And nobody has to know. Nobody. So double your fun with Doublemint Gum. In this adult world, it's the fun part.
See, Bob, was that your daughter on hard copy last night?
Hey, Bob, did they ever find your gold card?
Hey, Bob, I hear your neighbor's suing you.
Bob, your computer crashed.
Hey, Bob, what about your root canal? Bummer.
Woo! Looks like you stepped in something, Chief.
Life gotten a little crazy?
Try the simple sanity of an Accord sedan. From Honda.
You're watching Wings on NBC.
Next, the Wednesday premieres continue. Larroquette's wedding was a shocker, but what he finds at home, oh boy. Then, can the news radio boss take the White House?
My platform is nothing.
And bring back that fanfare, because this is it, the series premiere of Men Behaving Badly. More premieres, NBC next.
We're taking the wraps off something new at Wendy's. Fresh stuffed pitas. They're everything you love wrapped into one big soft pita. Like our Garden Ranch chicken, overflowing with crispy vegetables and tender chunks of chicken breast. Or our delicious chicken Caesar with shredded Parmesan. We even have 2 veggie pitas, our classic Greek with feta cheese and garden veggie. Wendy's 4 new fresh stuffed pitas. Fresh like a salad, filling like a sandwich.
Who knew something called a pita would taste this good?
Welcome to an Ameritech test town, where people help us refine our communications products and services.
Jimmy, I think you're going to have to take it back.
Sometimes it's way in the future.
Okay, I see the problem.
I thought a spark plug wire was arcing.
No, you got a bad ring in the number 3 cylinder. That's why you're losing power.
Sometimes it's available now, like our new home security system from SecurityLink that makes your life a little safer without making it more complicated. Or Americast, our cable TV service that's remarkably advanced.
What's your brother doing? He's making a new menu.
Yet simple enough that anyone can use it. Why do we test stuff in our test towns? Because the way we see it, technology doesn't work until it works for people. Ameritech, your link to better communication.
You're watching NBC4 Columbus.
Disney's 27th animated classic is on sale for the very first time. Oliver Company.
All right!
When little Oliver gets into big trouble, it's up to the Dodger and his friends to save the day.
Hey, get off my back, woman! I'm driving!
Now, you and your family can own all the fun of a great Disney masterpiece, featuring the music of Billy Joel, Huey Lewis, and Bette Midler.
Check it out!
Oliver Company, coming to video September 24th.
This is torture. Chain me to the wall.
Someday, I'm going to be big and powerful and drive a brand new car. The new Camry, coming September 26th.
At the end of the day, the last thing I want to feel is my makeup, which is why I wear Feel Perfect Makeup by L'Oreal with ultra soft microspheres. It covers flawlessly, perfectly, completely. But the best part is, I don't feel it there. Thanks to Feel Perfect. What I always feel is beautiful. What I don't ever feel is made up. Feel Perfect Makeup. All-day coverage you don't feel. By L'Oreal.
Why do I rent from Enterprise? Very simple. No stress.
We'll be happy to
They arrange to pick me up free, so I don't have to ask anyone for a ride. See? No stress.
Pick Enterprise. We'll pick you up.